The Tātairia Rā Matariki Festival invites the Uawa and broader tairawhiti communities to participate in a three-part Matariki celebration.
The event begins with the hautapu ceremony and ends at Te Rāwhioro Marae with a festival later on in the day.
Our kapu tairawhiti camera crew went along to Uawa to capture the day. Let's check it out.
Tātairia Rā Matariki Festival was held in Uawa, Tolaga Bay last Friday. The day started with a moving whāngai i te hautapu ceremony, reflecting on those who had passed in the last year, but also looking ahead to the future. The afternoon's celebrations began at Te Rāwhioro Marae, where a ceremony led by Padre Archdeacon William Gray was held to celebrate the return of a World War I flag that was purchased by a collector and gifted back to the Tolaga Bay community.
Reflecting on the amazing taonga that we have been privileged to receive today. The flag from World War I and the bugle from World War I also.
Ahakoa te kaupapa, matariki te kaupapa ko te tauhau te kaupapa. Ka kitea etahi atu āhuatanga hei whanaunga, hei kaupapa whanaunga ki tērā, o tira hei whakawhaitia no i a tātou ki konei te rāne.
Corella and Tomorrow People were headliners during the afternoon festivities with support from AH35, 2 Mile Bay and Robert Ala Alatua from Papakura's Got Talent. Over 800 people enjoyed the festivities, which included music, raranga, expos, stalls and a kids zone.
He mea pai te huitahi. He mea pai te huitahi I runga I te kaupapa ora, kaupapa pai. Mana tātou e whakawhaiti mai ki o tātou marae tonu.
So to actually be with each other and celebrate while we're still alive, it shows yes we can just socialise and be each other with one another.
Chad Boogeyman Chambers was presented with a plaque acknowledging the 2012 single Soldier Feeling with Tomorrow People hitting double platinum. Tātairia Rā Matariki Festival would like to thank all our generous sponsors and the village for coming together to make it happen.
Today is Uawa's version of a celebration of Matariki, so we're welcoming in the Māori New Year Uawa way.
E mau tonu ki te mana o tēnā, tēnei mea te harikoa, tēnei mea te ngahau. Hei whakamahana I te tangata I tēnei wā makariri nei.
Ka mau te wehi, that was a flawless event. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they put another one on next year.
So we can go to it,
Yes.